Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to be replacing an iPhone XR screen, and the LCD is damaged as well. The customer said that the Face ID does not work anymore. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 12 minutes and 37 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone XR screen. We only use OEM grade screens, so you get the best quality. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can always help you. And also, if I can't do it in under 20 minutes for the screen repairs, it's free. Also, if you get the chance to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, also our website, I'll leave all the links in the description below. And like I said, if you have any questions about iPhones or any type of Apple repairs, you can always give us a call. We'll be glad to help. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.